Okay, so now let's deal with the sum of n terms of an AP. Already we discussed some few problems there back. So now we'll talk about the sum, how the sum formula came and how it will be. Now see, let us suppose we have an AP. Okay, so if I'll say that I have an AP A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on up to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is my AP. Okay, so like that. If I'll take the sum of all these terms of an, these are the terms of an AP. If I'll take the sum of Sn is represent the sum, Sn is equal to nothing but A plus D, A plus 2D plus A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Okay, again I'm writing here A is my first term for your reference and D is common difference. Okay, now I'm gonna write this sum as the same equation of the sum one more time. So Sn is equal to A, but in the right now I'm gonna write from the back, A plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus n minus 2 into D, and so on, so on, so on, plus A plus 3D plus A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. Why I'm doing this part? Because I want to add this and I want to develop my sum formula. So for that purpose, what I'm going to do is I will add my both the equation 1 and equation 2, but I will add like this way, the first term of this and this is, so these two will be added together. Okay, similarly these two will be added together, like that I'm adding, and from the last again these two will be added together. So if I'm adding Sn plus Sn will be 2Sn. Now you see A plus A is nothing but 2A plus n minus 1 into D plus again A plus D and A plus n minus 2 into D, which is nothing but again 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and so on, so on. Every term will be 2A plus n minus 1 into D. It means I'm getting n number of terms 2A plus n minus 1 into D by adding this. So I can say that Sn, 2 of Sn is nothing but n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, because we are getting the n number of term. Okay, so from this what we got a sum formula as, if I'll bring this 2 as this side, so we got as my sum formula. So my sum formula will be that Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So we got sum as Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we can just modify this formula. So n by 2, now this 2A I can write as A plus n minus 1 into D. As we know, A plus n minus 1 into D is nothing but my an term, so I can write as n by 2 A plus an. And also we know that this an is also known as last term in case of finite series, so A plus L. So these are the formulations we have for the sum. Okay, so we can use these formulas according to the requirement. Okay, this is my sum formula.